Hi, third graders. I have for you your test, your end of module test for Unit 2. And so I'm going to read these slides to you and we're going to work through this together. Your words. I can do hard things. I believe in you, friends. You've got this. Here's a little warm fuzzy. All right, here we go. Number 1. Paul is moving to Australia. The total weight of his 4 suitcases is shown on the scale to the right. On a number line, round the total weight to the nearest 100 kilograms. What place value? 100s. We're rounding to the 100s. Number 2. Paul buys snacks for his flight. He compares cashews to yogurt raisins. The cashews weigh 205 grams, and the yogurt raisins weigh 186 grams. What is the difference between the weight of the cashews and the yogurt raisins? Think, think, think. We know that word difference is telling us whether to add, subtract, multiply, or divide. The numbers that are important you're using are 205 grams of cashews and 186 grams of yogurt raisins. What is the difference? Mirror words. We'll keep learning together. Neurons are connecting even when we are not together. Through the screen, our neurons are firing. You've got this, friends. Number 3. The clock to the right shows what time it is now. Estimate the time to the nearest 10 minutes. For that little hand and the hour, then count out your minute hand to the nearest 10 minutes. This clock to the right shows Paul's departure time, when he's leaving on the airplane. Departure means leaving. Estimate this time to the nearest 10 minutes. Now part C. Use your answers from part A and part B to estimate how long Paul has before his flight leaves. You're still cool. Number 4. A large airplane uses about 256 liters of fuel every minute. Round to the nearest 10 liters. What place value? The tens place. And estimate how many liters of fuel gets used every minute. Rounding 256 to the nearest tens place. Letter B. Use your estimate to find how many liters of fuel are used every 2 minutes. In part A, you figured every minute. So how much fuel about would be used every 2 minutes? Now calculate precisely the actual amount of fuel used every 2 minutes. There are 256 liters of fuel every minute. So how many liters of fuel in 2 minutes? On your red one ready, you can draw a tape diagram to find the difference between your estimate and the precise calculation. When you estimated how much fuel was used every 2 minutes, what is the difference from the actual amount? of fuel used every 2 minutes. Number 5, baggage handlers lift heavy luggage into the plane. The weight of one of the bags is shown on the scale to the right. One baggage handler lifts 3 bags of the same weight. Round to estimate the total weight he lifts. Then calculate exactly. We need 2 answers here. If we round the weight of that suitcase and have 3 of those, how much about is he lifting? Then calculate the actual weight of 3 bags. Part B, another baggage handler lifts luggage that weighs a total of 200 kilograms. Write and solve an equation to show how much more weight he lifts than the first handler in Part A. You've got this. Chunk and chew. Make that movie in your head. Reread it. Rewind. Take a deep breath. Do a neck stretch. Part C, the baggage handlers load luggage for 18 minutes. If they start at 10:25 p.m., what time do they finish? They started at 10:25 and they worked for 18 minutes. What time do they finish? Last one. Pat yourself on the back. One baggage handler drinks the amount of water shown below every day at work. How many liters of water does he drink during all 7 days of the week? You could use your Red One Ready to make a tape diagram. If he drinks this amount of water on one day, how much amount of water would he drink for 7 days? I can hear you singing that sevens song right now, or your fours song. I'm proud of you. I can't wait to talk to you soon. Bye, friends.